Hi, and welcome to the Zero Tax Advisory YouTube channel. My name is Joseph Vecchio, and I'm the founder of Shore Financial Planning and the process that we created, which we call Zero Tax Advisory. And let me tell you a little bit about myself and why you should want to listen to the advice that I have to offer. Well, first, experience matters. I've been a CPA since 1997. I have spent 20 plus years as a professional money manager. I have a certified financial planner. I have an MBA. I have Wall Street experience and real world experience in terms of actually managing business, real estate, and coming up with a process, Zero Tax Advisory, that can predictably, through the tax code, of which 98% of the tax code is specifically written to reduce your taxes, and hence Zero Tax Advisory. And I practice what I teach. So what I do is help real estate investors and small business owners permanently reduce taxes and grow wealth through a process which I already discussed, Zero Tax Advisory, which empowers them to more efficiently achieve and surpass their financial goals. And I do this because most business owners and real estate investors are overpaying on their taxes simply because they're unaware of key strategies that legally reduce their taxes. And I provide my clients with the knowledge, planning, and specific tax strategies available to them according to their unique circumstances to aid in permanently reducing their taxes and grow their wealth. And I believe that the most certain path to financial freedom is by creating an alternative wealth plan that focuses on optimizing your taxes through the diversification across three asset classes: real estate, business ownership, those are real assets, and then paper assets, stocks and bonds. So we're going to optimize over the three asset classes, not just stocks and bonds, which will lead to a better diversified and most certainly a better tax optimized plan and generational wealth. And I aim to work with clients who are open to learning about underutilized and at times unconventional strategies. My goal is to present opportunities and highlight the most advantageous opportunities to build zero tax wealth. Whether my clients choose to implement these strategies is entirely up to them. But the key thing to understand here is we are a tax advisory firm that works with our clients on a fiduciary basis in your best interest, but on a proactive way to look forward to reduce your taxes.